As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today we are working on this 68 Caddy. And what we're going to do with this today, we are going to turn it into a derby car since it is beginning to be that time of year again. Guys, let's jump into it and turn this classic into something that's going to get destroyed. Alright guys, so what we did today is, this was a pretty nice casting. Didn't really want to do what I did to it, but as you guys all know, that's what we're going to do to it anyway. So, first off, we took it all apart, examined all of our parts. Everything was in pretty good condition, even the paint. The reason why I wanted to convert this into a derby car is because I did not have the hood for it. And I've looked and looked and not had any luck finding a hood replacement for this car, so we decided to just convert it into a derby car, and that's what we did today. So once we examine all the good parts and seeing what we're going to keep and get rid of, we're going to move on to the chum bucket. And like I said, the paint was nice, but we got to change it up. I was going to keep it blue, but I wanted to put my own flair on it and do my own thing. It was begging for it, in my opinion. It was just the slightest changes, but they really did affect it in the long run, which is cool. Once we let that sit, then it came off pretty easily, believe it or not. It was probably a day or two we let it sit, so we cleaned it off. It was beautiful underneath. Then after this, we cleaned it off. We removed some parts, and then we got to the paint and the details. We did a lot of decal work today. We also did a lot of just nitty-gritty hand painting, as you guys will see here coming up. And we also eliminated some parts that are also coming up. So stay tuned for that. That's really cool. But guys, I hope you're all doing well. I know we haven't posted a video in a while, but I plan on posting more videos coming up here soon. So stay tuned for that. As you guys see here, our base, we had to eliminate the grill that was on the base of the car. So what we did was we just grinded it off, and it took a little while. I know I could have just cut it off, but this was just an easier technique. Believe it or not, I think I did end up just cutting it off, but honestly, I don't remember. This car took a lot longer than it probably should have, and yeah, wasn't my best, but we did end up making it clean and flush and eliminating that grill, so that is all that is important. As you see here, it gives it that look that we are looking for. So once we finished our body work, we are going to move on to some custom paint work, like I said before. So I wanted to give this car the illusion that it had a vinyl top on it at one point, and it was torn off for this said derby event. So what we did here was we did our kind of like our rusting technique. We just outlined our top with primer, and then we painted around it and tried not to cover the rest with paint. I will show you that here in a moment.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
So fast forward, this is the car. It was fully painted. It was clear coated, and we did a little bit of rust powder on the roof just to give it that illusion that it was rusty and bubbling, and the vinyl roof had to go. We also did the decal work. What we're doing right now is adding the exhaust that would be coming out of the headers through the hood of the car that you see a lot of. We also put some window bars on, but after a second look over of it, I did not like how it turned out, and we eliminated those. But as you guys also see here, we detailed out the engine again. It is more flat than the rest of the chrome work, but that's kind of the look I wanted to go for. And then also the engine bay we did in flat black, just to help it stand out a little bit. Like I said, so we did some decals. We did Sunoco decal on the trunk. We also did a Diecast graveyard on the rear tailpiece. We did a Cudas on the side and a number 4 this time. Believe it or not, we have run out of number 57s. We're going to have to get more of those made up. But for this time around, we did a number 4. The final little step before we go see what we started with, we are going to chrome out with our chrome pen, liquid chrome pen the exhaust pipes that we added through the hood. And with that said, guys, enjoy this, and I will see you in a moment. Alright guys, so if you guys remember, this is what we started with. It was a 68 Caddy. It was in pretty good condition for what it was, but since that hood was non-existent, we decided to convert this into a derby car for the upcoming fairground derbies. With that said, guys, let's go see what we finished with. And here is our final results for the 68 Caddy Derby build. Guys, it turned out honestly better than I thought. So like we talked about, we redid the paint. We did that illusion of the vinyl top that was eliminated. It is decaled out with some local sponsors and some sponsors. It was repainted. We added some hood exhaust stacks. We eliminated the front grille. And I think this thing is derby ready. We also eliminated the rear taillights and the front turn signals too, if you look very, very closely. With that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a really fun build. I want to do more of these and maybe even build a diorama. So if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. With that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a like, comment, and I will see you in the next one.